Hi fellow crafters, today I have an unusual project to share with you. It's a gorgeous gift pocket idea using some designer series paper that I bet you didn't know was still available. I'm going to be using my Changing Leaves bundle for today's project. The combination of these three products, the stamp set, the dies, and the embossing folder, help you to add color, layers, and texture to your projects. Now, that product that I mentioned in my introduction, the one I bet you forgot about, it's the dry brushed metallic paper. This mixed metallic paper combines metallic ink and foil with textural dry brush designs for a unique finish. So we're going to use this particular design along with the Changing Leaves bundle to create a really cool gift idea. Now, I mentioned that I was going to be creating a pocket, so I'm going to be using my Pocket Thoughts dies. So you get 3 different sizes of pockets in the pack, and I'm going to be using the largest one and some balmy blue cardstock. So I have got 2 pieces of balmy blue and then the 1 large pocket die. So I'll die cut both of these and then we'll combine them together to create the pocket. Back in a moment. So this is what they look like, and as you can see, they come with score lines, which makes for very easy scoring and assembly. So I'm going to use my bone folder and I'm going to make these score lines nice and crisp. And then what I'm going to do is simply adhere these 2 together and it creates a pocket. So I'm going to use my multi-purpose liquid glue. If you're going to put something heavy in your pocket, then I would say you should use Terri tape or some stronger adhesive. But for mine, I know what I'm putting inside. I'll show you that in a minute. So I'm just going to use my multi-purpose liquid glue. Now, while my pocket is drying, I'm going to take a piece of 6x6 dry brushed metallic designer series paper, and I'm going to emboss it using the Changing Leaves embossing folder. Now look at that. Isn't that just absolutely stunning? What I want to do next is take the large die from the Changing Leaves die pack, and I'm going to die cut out 3 of the leaves from this embossed layer. Now what I want to do is create a phrase for my pocket front, and I've got the thank you and my balmy blue ink. So I'm going to ink that up and stamp it down. And then there isn't a die in the die pack that's the right size for the thank you and for the size of the pocket. So I went into my packs of dies and I found this die from the Adventurous Sky die pack. And so I'm going to die cut out my phrase now. Now I want to put an insert in my pocket. So I'm going to use basic white. And I've got the phrase that says, I couldn't have done it without you. And again, I'm going to use my balmy blue ink and put that in the center of my layer that's going to be tucked inside the pocket. Now it's time to put everything together. I'm going to start off with my thank you, and I'm going to put it at the top part of my pocket. Up here, like so. And now what I want to do is add my 2 largest leaves that we die cut from the brushed metallic paper. I'm going to use my multi-purpose liquid glue for the large one, and I'm going to use some mini Stampin' Dimensionals for the medium size one. All right, it's coming along, isn't it? It's looking really lovely. Now what I want to do is think about embellishments on the front. And I found these in color. They're the 2024-26 in color dots. And these peach pie ones almost match the gold foil in the designer series paper. So I'm going to add a few of these, and then we're going to talk about the insert as well. Now you remember that we stamped this phrase on the insert, and we have this leaf left over. So I want to attach that or adhere it to my insert, and I want to make sure that it lies flat because I'm going to have to slide the insert into the pocket. So I'm going to use my multi-purpose liquid glue. All right, let's open up the pocket and slide the insert in, and there we go. We have an absolutely beautiful thank you gift idea. You could attach to this insert, on the back of it, you could attach a gift card, whatever you want as a thank you gift, or you could just say thank you and write a lovely note inside. If you would like a complete listing of the supplies that I used and the measurements for all of the cardstock and designer series paper, I will link over to my blog article in the description box under this video. You can head over there and you can get all the information you need, including the ordering numbers for this gorgeous metallic designer series paper. I'm Terry. I am nuts about stamping. I'll see you at the next video. Bye for now.